Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening both files and saving the destination where linked data will live. In the destination workbook, go to Data, get data, from File, then from Workbook. This creates a managed connection. Select the source file and pick the sheet or table you need. You do this so Excel handles references cleanly and updates reliably. Once you choose the table, click Transform Data if you need a quick filter, or Load to bring data directly into your workbook as a query connection. Once the preview opens in Power Query Editor, you refine the data. Remove columns, rename headers, change data types, and filter rows so only needed records flow through. These steps matter because a lean query refreshes faster and reduces errors. When you're ready, click Close and Load to, and pick whether to load as a table, pivot table, or only create a connection. Choose the option that fits your sheet layout. Make sure to load where you expect so downstream formulas reference the correct range. To finish, refresh the link and confirm values match the source. Use Data, Refresh All, or right-click the query Load Table and refresh. This pulls changes without manual copy-paste and preserves transformation steps. If the link fails, check that the source file path and name haven't changed, ensure you have read permissions, and update the query's source in Query Settings. As a tip, set background refresh or auto-refresh on open so you won't miss updates, and make sure both files remain reachable on shared drives or cloud paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.